What's good, everyone? Market's about to open here in just under a minute. Yeah, we've just kind of been pushing up since yesterday. I do think we might kind of try to retrace down to this level, to like the 970s, so about 100 points down, just because that's where the pre-market point of control is. But I guess we'll see what happens. Just a quick little jump at market open, it seems like. But we do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consecutive up close candles on the 144. So it is a little sus trying to enter and go long, I would say. Yeah, so if I see a short opportunity, I would definitely prefer that over any long opportunity, to be honest. Yeah, we just keep pushing, it seems like. There is a potential mono play here, but it's like 5 points away from hitting this one, the retracement area. So I don't know, it's a little sus if I were to try to play that. If this forming candle is a close to the upside, then we could definitely be seeing more room to the upside, more movement. Okay, if this candle is a down close, then I think there's room to the downside. Yep. So I do see my model play kind of here. If this is a down close, I might enter. As long as we don't break this high. Nah, we broke that high. Never mind. $144 and the 233 just closed at this level once it made that high. Actually, the 144 closed. Yeah, once it made this high is when it closed. The 144 and 233. So maybe I could look for a potential long. We're kind of we're not really in an area of interest, I would say, but it's an interesting area for sure. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go for any longs in this area. Just because we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 consecutive up close candles on 144, to me it's a little sus. A little suspect, if you ask me. But, you know, if we see our model, we still might end up taking the trade just because I have faith in my model. Yeah, we're gonna keep going down. Good. 144 has a nice bearish close to it. I would like to see a retracement into this red area for a proper short model to up here. Still nothing. Do you think we're gonna go close towards the 970s? When will it happen? I don't know. Kind of coming up into a low volume node area around 240. Yeah, it might be a little tough trying to get past this level. Or like once it does get below here, this is just a low volume node area. So it makes sense that there's a little bounce right there. I would like to see price kind of break it, that maybe retest it, and ideally there's like a time frame where the retracement level is like at that area, is in that area of the low volume node. We are in an area though of retracement on the 233. So if I do see the model occur on the 55R, then I will take a long trade. The model's about to show up on the 34R, but we need it on the 55R. Could probably pop up to like the 80 level. So I'm just gonna draw out the zone on the 55 where we have a potential for the model to show up. If it goes to the 58, then I'm gonna get rid of this zone. All right, I'm getting rid of the zone now. You can see we're kind of bouncing off this tiny high and tiny low right here. But remember, we're kind of going based off the 55, not the 34. So let's see if this zone is able to close out. If we're able to close above this zone. See what price wants to do. Again, not much movement or volatility as it has been for the past weeks or so. It's kind of unfortunate, but it is what it is, I guess. Yeah, so right now it's kind of reaching into this other tiny low volume node. Kind of just, that's why we had like these little rejection areas. So I would say if we are able to close up outside this blue zone, it could be good to kind of close out of here. Then have price kind of just retest as low as like 70. I probably wouldn't want it to go much lower. And then, kind of bounce out, keep going to the upside. All right, we get that close to the upside now. So first good target would definitely be at 81. So pretty much at 80. We just need that retracement inside this zone first. So we do get it on the 142, on the 144. We do get a potential reversal candle. So we had an up close candle on the 144 with just negative order flow. Ultimately though, end of day, my target level would still be 970s. End of day. Okay, so we're also in the retracement area on the 144 to the downside. I'm not too sure how I feel about the longs. because we're also in the short potential area as well. We still haven't broken this high, but we have a confirmed. As long as we're able to close above here, I feel fine for the longs. But we have to close above here. If not, I need to be aware of the short play. Like if this is down close candle, then we could potentially go for shorts. As I was saying before, I do prefer shorts over the longs. So yeah, we did just get that play to the downside here. Let's see if this is a down close, because I do prefer the shorts. Seems like we might be pushing up.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Go with the shorts. Stop just above this high.
Order filled.
Okay, break even. I just got ordered filled on the my fund futures. That's it. Oh, we're just a tick away.
Order filled.
Okay, nice. All right. Nice. Yeah, you see, I was definitely not, I wouldn't say I wasn't trusting the longs there, but it was, to me, it was just a little bit more sus. Let's move this box over a little bit. Let's actually change the property and put it to 55. So now the thing is also, I wouldn't be opposed to going long here. The reason being is just on the 55, we had that confirmed model play occur, and we still haven't broken like the actual low down here. Actually, we just broke it. So I'm no longer interested for sure. But now on the 55, we can see that, hold on. We can see that on the 55, we had our model play here, but it's a failed model play, and we broke below it. So honestly, if price was able to kind of come back into this region to 26.054 up to this high, and we get a down close, I wouldn't be opposed to entering short. Also, that 233 candle is about to close pretty bearish. Well, I need to go a little bit lower actually. So I might try to take another trade, but on the top step accounts. I'm gonna put this in as a 55. There we go. So just got to be aware that this is also a not fair value gap, but a low volume node area. Ooh, yeah. Also, I do like the shorts in here. On the 89, we kind of get our model play. We have that swing high, swing low, tiny high, tiny low. We were able to close outside of here. So I do like shorts. So I will take a short opportunity on just my take profit accounts.
Order submitted.
Alright, and we're in. Stop. Maybe just above here for now. Just kind of want to see a quick push to the downside. Actually, I think it might go even lower. I might try to aim for 20. Or to here, maybe. Just because that 89 candle's about to close. Okay, I think we just got that 89 candle to close. Yeah. So now my stop will be about right there. 39. Or maybe what's down here? 35. Let's see a nice push down. Yeah, it makes sense. This right here at 34 is the lowest part of the low volume node. So it makes sense that we are having a tiny little bounce. But I still feel good about this position short. As soon as we're able to close kind of down below here, then I will place my stop pretty much at break even. I just want to see like a nice quick push to the downside. Also, the 233 candle closed like nice and bearish. So I still do believe we will be going down. Is this the push we're looking for? Need a bit more of a push down to go to break even. Nice, we're also able to close outside of a zone area on the 55. So let's have that tiny bit more of a push down. 25. Yeah, I think targeting this 26 area is decent. Right now it is 30, just touched 34 lows. I feel like it's gonna like just kind of sweep this area. Yeah, nice. I'll definitely put my stop to like break even now. All right, let's see if my target hits. Might get stopped out. If this is down close candle, then that'd be perfect. Nice. All right, let's see that push down. Might put my stop loss to above here. Yeah, I'm moving it to above here. I'd like to see it just kind of go. Or actually, place it right. Oh, it's still at break even. I just don't want to see this candle go to the upside. Large sell order there. It's a little sus. I don't know if we're gonna hold it or not. Usually I feel like it kind of goes the opposite way.
Order filled.
Yeah, so we got our order filled, which is fine. I just didn't want to see it kind of turn what? Turn to the upside, because I had a feeling that it was kind of, as you see, go up here, and I would have gotten stopped out. My original stop loss was definitely up here. But, you know, not a bad trade. Definitely could have secured almost like another 150, but whoa. What just happened there? Whoa. Yeah, so I definitely knew I had to be careful on that, around that low volume node. We retraced back into a retracement zone on the 233. So I guess I'll try to see if there's a short opportunity there. Yeah, I've also noticed if, like, you know, there's kind of like a big selling pressure inside a low volume node, like there is kind of right here, you can see that there's 30 selling, and right here there's 77 selling, and it happens like in a low volume node area. I don't think there's any here, but if it happens in a low volume node area, then price will kind of push the upside for a little bit. Like you see, pushed up to the upside here, pushed to the upside a lot more. I mean, here you could ask me like, oh, what about that one? Is that a good one? I would say no, just because it's not in a proper low volume node channel. Like if we look at the 89 here, you can see a lot of buying or selling here, and then a big explosion up. A lot of selling here, big explosion up. But preferably it would be like down below in the wick, not in the body of the candle like how it is here. It also happened yesterday as well. Like we can see low volume node here with just selling pressure at the bottom of the wicks, pushes up. Then we kind of break. I don't know if I would trust these, to be honest. These are a little iffy for me, but then we kind of get a break above and we kind of retest, and you can see more selling pressure here, so then we kind of go up. So just, you know, following what the market tells you, analyzing how it's kind of going, following your model, following your strategy, not deviating from it, and everything's good. It's about to be 7. I think there might be like a 1-star data news kind of being dropped, but I don't think I'm going to take any more trades. We got stopped out on that the take profit accounts on that last trade we took, but we still made profit. And there's really no reason or need to keep trading, to be honest. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it for today. Just a nice short and quick session, about 30 minutes. It's not bad. Yeah, I'm curious to see what the market does later today. Like, is it gonna go down to my down to my level that I have all the way down here to this 970 level down here. I don't know, but I guess I'll figure it out tomorrow or later today when I do my recap. But yeah, so just follow your model and peace.